Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to cut and mount your handrail for your express railing system. Before you do this, make sure that you've mounted all your posts and that you've drilled out the holes for your angle posts. Let's get started. In this install, we provide all the specialty materials needed for the installation. You will need to bring a drill or impact driver, a 9/64 inch drill bit, painter's tape, a tape measure, a writing utensil, a mallet, 2 clamps, and a saw. Step 1. Measuring. Start by measuring the length of handrail you will need for your first run. For end posts, you will measure from the outside of the handrail bracket on the post. If your handrail will end on a corner post, you will have 2 handrails attached to that post. For best results, you will want to have one handrail terminate on the outside edge of the post and the other on the inside edge of the post. Make sure to be aware of this when measuring. For runs longer than 8 foot 6 inches, you will likely need to use multiple pieces of handrail. The handrails come in a set length of 8 foot 6 inches and the end of the handrail must terminate on the post. In this case, you will need to measure to the center of the post that the handrail will end on, giving enough room for another handrail to be mounted. Once you know the location of your post cuts, put painter's tape on the handrail to guard the area and use a Sharpie to mark your cut line. Step 2. Cutting. We recommend using a chop saw or skill saw to cut your handrail. Make sure to use a blade suitable for cutting aluminum, and as always, secure the handrail with clamps to keep it from jumping. Now, line up the end caps with the opening in your handrail and using a rubber mallet or dead blow hammer, gently tap it into place. Repeat this step on the other end of the handrail. Step 3. Mounting your handrail. Place the cut-capped handrail on top of the handrail brackets, making sure that it is in the desired position. Then, clamp the handrail to the outside handrail brackets on the first and last post of the run. If you are mounting to a corner post, attach the clamps to one end of the handrail bracket as shown. Pre-drill all holes using a 9/64 inch drill bit. Once the holes have been pre-drilled, use the provided mounting screws to attach the handrail. Now, move the clamps to the inside handrail brackets on the same posts. For corner posts, move the clamp to the other edge of the handrail bracket as shown. Pre-drill and attach the mounting screws in the same way that you just did. You've installed the first express handrail in your system. We recommend working one handrail at a time rather than cutting all of your handrail first. When you mount handrail, it will pull posts together to secure the system. If you cut all your handrail first, this could cause the measurements to be inaccurate. Thanks for watching this video on how to install your express handrail. To learn how to install the rest of your express railing system, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/viewrail or go to our website at viewrail.com.